Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the Excel macros. Okay, so without any further ado, let me jump into the purpose. So let me open my Excel for now. So I'll just open a blank workbook. So Excel actually provides us a feature called Excel macros, where we can actually write a piece of Visual Basic code, uh, which can be used to do some operations which are not possible on the UI. That is one of the feature which Microsoft provides. Let me just show you like how to enable the scripting part here. Okay, so just go to any of these menus, just click on customize the ribbon. So you'll go to this menu. So you'll have all these options here. So just click on the developer menu, which will be by default checked out. Okay, so if you're like a Visual Basic developer and all, you can actually leverage the this feature to develop your own features actually. Okay, so let me just show this, check this. Okay, so now once I do this, here in the menu items you'll have a developer tab enabled. Okay, so I'll just go to this developer tab where you have a Visual Basic and the macro settings. Okay, so apart from this you also have add-ins here actually in the 2019 Excel, I guess. So when you click on this get add-ins, you'll have many add-ins which are available for you, like which are given for you from the office store actually. So you can either go for this, or if you want your custom add-in, you can go to developer, click on Visual Basic. So today my focus will be only on the creating the custom macro. Okay, so when I click on Visual Basic, so when I open this, you'll have the current sheet level code which you can write, and you'll have the workbook level code we can write. For now, let me stick with the workbook. Okay, so in the general, you will not have any actions here. So you can actually select here the current workbook. Okay, let me select the current workbook. So then I see a method called workbook open. So now whatever piece of code we write here, right, that will be reflecting on when the workbook is opened. Okay, so for now, like, just let me write a message box. So if you want the intelligence here, you can just click control space, which will give you the suggestions here. So you have like actually many functions here. So let me use the message box function. So the message box actually takes a prompt for you, and if you need buttons and all, you can like give these values, which will also give you a button as okay and all. Okay, so let me just stick with the prompt for this video. Okay, so let me just print a message. You open the workbook. Okay, so this action will be done, or a message box will appear when the user opens the workbook. That is the action with respect to this. Let me just go here and create one more action when a new sheet is created. Okay, let me just print one more message box which says you created a new sheet. Okay, let me just stick with this. So actually the normal Excel books and all which you store will be stored with the extension XLSX. But when you store this as a XLSX format, you will actually get a error, because you cannot save the macro related stuff here. As you can see, this is the error message which Microsoft gives you, because this is a macro enabled project or a workbook, so you cannot save it that way. So let me show you, or as they suggested, we have to do it this way. Let me show how we can do that. In the save type, you can actually select Excel macro enabled workbook, which will be stored with the extension SLXLSM. Okay, so this is the extension with which we have to store I already have a document with the name book one. Let me say VB practice dot xlsm. Okay, I saved that. Now let me close this workbook and all, and let me go to the VB practice. So here I'll get a macros have been disabled pop up. So when I just click on enable content, right, so then the macro plugin starts kicking in. Okay, so you can see the you open this workbook pop up and all. Okay, so this happens because of, let me show you once again. So this is because of the macro security, where by default it will be like, all the macros will be disabled. If you don't want this option, you can just select the enable all macros, which actually Microsoft suggests is not recommended. Okay, yeah. If you want, you can select this option, or you can just go with the notification one where you can enable the content. Okay, so we also added one more pop-up on creation of a new sheet. So here you can see that you created a new sheet. So pretty much that's it, how you can create a macro plugin for Visual Basic in Excel. So I hope this is interesting for you guys. Yeah, thank you.